In this video, I will teach you how you can make $130,000 just for being a college dropout or school drop, or just for being a bad student who has bad grades or just find study extremely difficult. That's right, you don't need education, academic background, extraordinary skills or experience for this system. I'm not saying good students with good grades will not make money using this. All I'm saying is education has zero influence on this, because all you need is to know how to copy and paste. $100,000. No experience needed, no technical knowledge involved. Oh, also, it's free to try and it's beginner friendly, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. If you haven't made a single penny online, you can start doing it right after watching this video. The best part, you can withdraw your income anytime you want, and you can withdraw with PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency if you want. Sounds exciting, right? Let's do it then. Before we begin, make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will show you the whole system in a few important steps. Each step in this video is very important in order for you to make money with this very simple method. And if you skip any step, you may not be able to make money using this system, because you might be confused about what to do and etc. So just watch the full video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. We upload money making videos daily, and trust me, you wouldn't want to miss the next one. And this way, not only you help yourself learn how to make money online, and you help others learn how to make money online, and you will all get notified by YouTube when we will upload our next money making video. Oh, I also have my special bonus for you at the end of the video that will make you money faster. And there will be a bonus on top of another bonus, and there will be a double bonus that I will reveal in the end of the video that will completely replace your work. Basically, we have already done the work for you. You're going to click and make money. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Make sure don't skip anything. But first thing first, let me ask you a question. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when I ask you about the subject history, or history as a subject? I hear you if you're saying, Mosh, history is boring. You have to memorize dates, people's names, and wars, etc., etc. It's so tedious. I used to think the same way until I found that you could actually make a lot of money from history. Yes, I learned this after a lot of struggle. But don't worry, you don't have to struggle. We have done the struggling on your behalf. I will show you everything in this video for free. Hi, my name is Mosh Bari, and I have been online since 2010 and currently running a 7-figure per year software company. We have 100,000 plus happy clients, customers, and users worldwide. But that wasn't always the case. I remember in the past when I was a student, I struggled with subjects that needed memorization, like history. And just like you or anyone who hates memorizing, I grew up with a mindset that in order to make money or to be successful in any field, you needed good memory, which I definitely didn't have when it came to subject like history. No memorization, no money. That was the mindset. Am I right? Wrong. That's what I figured out after a lot of struggles, trials and errors, and a lot of money wasted on different things. When I came into internet marketing, I found you don't need to have a good memory in order to make money. You can simply replace memory with Control-C and Control-V, copy paste. Let me show you how. Check this channel. Check how this channel, General Knowledge on YouTube, makes $113,000 per year by just making history easy for people. And $100,000 is just an estimate. They might be making a lot more from their channel. The phrase history of has 128,000 monthly search volume on YouTube, which means this channel makes videos for this huge number of 128,000 searchers. To make a current example, you see, everybody is concerned about what's happening between Russia and Ukraine, right? What is the war situation, etc. If I simply go to the search bar and type history of Ukraine, because everybody now is looking for the history of Ukraine, history of their president, history of their relationship with Russia, etc., you will see hundreds of videos on the history of Ukraine, and all of them have views in hundreds of thousands or even millions. And see, General Knowledge, they just uploaded their video 6 days ago and already have crossed 120,000 views. Wow, 130,000 views in 6 days. And look at their revenue from YouTube AdSense alone. It's about $130,000 per year. Super awesome, right? Now, you're probably thinking, Mosh, that's great, but I'm not a history teacher. How am I supposed to create videos on a topic I know nothing about? Now, if you were paying attention, you remember I talked about a special bonus a little earlier. This is the bonus that I'm going to talk about right now. But before that, let me assure you, history is same everywhere. It never changes. It happened in the past, and you can copy it, paste it anywhere you want. So my bonus, the premium video creation software, our premium video creation software, Epic, that I'm giving away for free to my YouTube viewers, this software will solve your problem. Epic can make this kind of money-making video by copying and pasting links and spinning the wheel of artificial intelligence. This premium software is free to all my YouTube viewers. Go get it from the link in the description. But stick to the end of the video to know how this premium software will get you to your first 113,000 income online. Plus, there is a bonus on top of the bonus that will completely replace your work. I told you before, right? Okay. So step number 1, choose a topic, let's say history of Ukraine. And the next step, go to Google and type in history of Ukraine. You will find hundreds of articles on the topic. Next step, copy, paste the link of an image of your choice. Move and rotate to fit your taste. Feel free to be crazy and creative about it. It's your application. It's your access. It's your account to do whatever you want. And it's history. You can do whatever you want. Yeah. Copy the content from any article and go to the software here, right here. Now let the AI of the software rewrite it for you to make it unique so you can own it and you can use it. And nobody comes after you saying, hey, you copied my content. No, not gonna happen. And it's going to be more engaging because you're using AI, artificial intelligence. Or you also have an option to spin the content. That's called spinning. Now, time to add a voiceover. You can simply add the AI voiceover by clicking here, adding your script or text content if you don't want to record yourself. Simply go to the sound section, click here, and let the software create a natural voiceover for you. But in case you are comfortable with your own voiceover, go all in and do it. And somehow you have other voiceover or sound files that you want to upload, you can upload it from here. Super easy. Repeat the process until you're satisfied with the audio. This is just one tiny video, and you can add more and more tiny videos as long as you are not completely satisfied. Once you are done, click the render button and the application will create your video in the background. You will get an email notification once the video is ready. Upload it to YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or anywhere you want, and those websites, social media sites, will be more than happy to send you views, traffic, leads, and customers because you are the content creator. You're helping them. Now, first of all, you will make money from YouTube AdSense. But when you start getting views, leads, and customers, you can sell them any product or service with the relevant affiliate programs and make even more money. So there you have it, how to make money online on YouTube by copying, pasting, and spinning the wheel of AI using the awesome Epic. Link in the description, you can go get it for free. Right. All right, here's the bonus on top of bonus, and that is we make videos every single day. We make long videos and we make short videos, and this is our constant 28 days results. We get 18 to 20 to 25,000 views every 28 days, so per month, so approximately 600 to 700 views per day. Now if you look at our contents, we have a lot of shorts, and all those shorts, the traffic comes from directly from YouTube Shorts feed, and YouTube is more than happy to send these views for free to our shorts, and we get a lot of leads, sales from these shorts. Okay, now here's an important thing. This is 424 views. If you go to next one, you can go ahead and check our shorts. All these views are completely natural. We don't even ask anyone to visit our shorts especially. Okay, but here's the beautiful thing. When we make our shorts, we leave those shorts as a template. Okay, so let's say we start a vertical shorts for you, and now when you are a user of Epic, when you start a campaign or a video, you have the opportunity to add new, and you'll have all our videos that we made and all our shorts as templates. Okay, all our shorts as templates. So let's say go to this one. Okay, we already published and we're getting good views from here and leads and sales as well. So when you click on it, okay, you just create, and the whole thing, the whole video, whole work, image, and everything will be loaded here. Now you can move it around, you can enlarge it, you can squeeze it, you can rotate it, you can add more elements to make it more engaging like ours that we do. And you can add your own voiceover if you like. You can add text to voice if you like, and drag and drop your voiceover file if you want. You can add background music if you can do all different things, but the main hard work is completely done for you. So you add new one, you just have to save it, click save changes, the software is working and it's saving in the background, and then click add, and then you go to again the next one. Okay, so this one and the next one, the next slider, the next tiny video. Okay, now the next one is loaded, right? Yeah, now again you can do all different kinds of editing you want, or just keep it as is. I recommend you just change things here and there so it is not completely identical to what we have done. And we have added our own voiceover, so my own voiceover. So basically, even if you use a voiceover text to using text to audio, it won't be identical. But if you just move a little bit, change a few little things, or add a different background music, or just do whatever you want, it will be yours. And from there, just once you're finished, click render. This video is yours. Just upload it and make money. So we have done the job for you. All those, whenever we publish a new one, it's pretty simple. Whenever we publish a new video, a new shorts, whenever we publish a new shorts, that shorts, the whole thing, whole work is available for you to use as template. That is the bonus on top of bonus for our users. Go ahead, grab Epic right now and start using and start making money. And we'll see you in the next video. If you like our video or you didn't like our video, do understand we made it for you so you make money. And we are giving away our software, so what is your problem? Go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media connections. And this is the way you can help us to continue with this channel and give away more and more information, amazing information, and our software is free for you and your friends and family. So go ahead, hit the share button and share with your friends and family and all your social media connections, so they also learn how to make money online. And they also get our software access for free. And YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. We'll see you in the next video.